Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in Velvet Red Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, sport hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7038.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.